Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to dive deep into Roundpoint Your Home Mortgage app review. So to get started with a quick overview, the Roundpoint Your Home app is the official mobile platform from the Roundpoint Mortgage Savings LLC, designed to help owners manage their mortgage account. Available on both iOS and Android device, the app offers features such as viewing loan details, making payment, and accessing the essential document. It aims to provide a convenient, secure way for users to handle their mortgage needs on the go. Talking about the strength of this platform, the app allows users to easily access loan details, set up one-time or recurring payment, and update account information directly from their mobile device. Users can securely view and download important loan document, reducing the need for paper attachment or paper statement and helping to eliminate clutter. Talking about the downside of this platform, some users have reported problems with the app functionality, such as the scheduled payment disappearing or the app charging multiple times due to glitch. There have been a complaint about the company handling a hierarchical account with users experience unexpected increasing in payment amount and inconsistent statement. Now here's the bottom line. The Roundpoint Your Home app offer a range of features aimed to simplify mortgage management, including the easy payment option and access to important documents. However, users should be aware of reported technical issues and the potential challenges with the account management. While the app can be useful tools for managing your mortgage, it's important to monitor your account regularly and stay in communication with customer service to address the concern promptly.